Hi, Pipeline team. Thank you for joining me in projects and tasks. Here's how to add and complete a task inside of an existing project. Let's hit the Johnson kitchen remodel and let's look at the invoice milestone. We can see that there is already a task called create invoice. We will choose a due date. Owner, we'll assign this to Don Johnson, and that's it. We will hit save. We can also, from here in the project timeline view, mark this as complete and hit save. From the list view, we can go into the project name. Within the project overview, we can look at that task and we can complete from here. We can also see the completed tasks in that milestone. From the milestone tab, you can click on the milestone name or the project name and make your change to the tasks from here, add a task. And you can see your tasks here in the task tab. All of your tasks, all of your milestones, all of your projects in one list. Thanks.